Thank you very much.
Keep my ring on.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Say hi to my friends.
To my channel. That was very like.
Yeah, Shrestha.
Sheshta looks like a cat, bro.
So what are we doing today?
So what we have done so far is absolutely no fucking thing because they have ordered potatoes and capsicum and noodles from Blinkit, and now what we're trying to do is make noodles and potato fry. Thank you guys for the time.
What else, Shrestha?
Yeah, I don't know what. She's just chopping those onions in a way that is very disturbing.
Excuse you? Why would you say that?
And then I feel bad for those onions.
Real stuff.
Oh my god.
And then
Guys,
start coming.
no one was harmed in the making of this vlog, guys.
I was.
You were. Me and Aishi are harmed because they ordered capsicum.
Yeah, exactly.
Who doesn't like capsicum?
We're not cooking. Somebody doesn't like carrots, somebody doesn't like capsicum, somebody doesn't like beans, who are making nothing. Today we just put the noodles, boil it, eat it.
Anyways, guys, we are making. Not everyone's visible.
Not everyone, I am not.
Oh yeah, actually it's also not visible.
It's fine, it's fine.
Anyways, guys, so we're making noodles for dinner today, and we're making potato fry, right? And
You don't know.
what else? Anything else? We're getting drinks or not?
Drinks we didn't order.
And what are we
Tuck shop we'll have to go and
Yeah,
get it
we'll
from.
get it from Tuck Shop.
Anyways, guys, so that's the plan, and we'll take you all along with us while we cook dinner. Hope you all are excited.
Just call me, I'll keep my ring on.
Has decided to leave us, guys,
No, bro,
because she's. Let me update them, no? Then they'll be like, where's the fourth person gone? Take update. So basically, Shrestha is not feeling well, so that's why she's gone back
And
to her
she's
room to
tired.
rest, and she's tired. Obviously, Ayushi, you wanna fill them in, please?
Because she's been working endlessly, guys. What is this behavior?
Okay, because Ayushi wants the special attention.
I'm literally doing the work. And
Yes, I
the finely chopped onion, guys.
Yeah, we'll look at the finely chopped onion.
Zoom in.
done.
Zoom in.
Done.
Okay, yeah. Okay,
Anything
guys.
else you wanna say?
Not right now. Bye.
Where are we going now? We're going to the mess
yes.
to get chili powder and chilies and salt and lemon for me. Oh yeah, thank you for reminding me.
Kala jadoo, no?
Okay, anyways, guys, so we'll get going. We'll take you all along with us. Come. This is what it looks like right now.
Guys, what are you all up to?
Let me do it.
Guys, what the? You're not paying any attention to the vlog.
We're stealing chilies and lemon from the mess, and the bhaiya don't know.
I don't think he cares.
Watching us while you're doing this. Never mind, guys.
We need things to ask him also, guys.
What?
We need to ask him also, no? I'm zooming in on your face too much.
We have to pay, guys.
For
86 rupees for this. This is our dinner. This is our dinner.
So we're gonna take enough to sell.
And cheese.
And get the
okay, guys, let's keep it moving. What else? We'll take more because we paid for it. So
Film her, no?
पूरा fill करो भाई.
Okay, start. That was not very smooth, I'll be honest.
I just really wanted to do it.
Guys, what was that?
What?
Guys.
Let's go. Get up.
Okay.
Get up. Guys.
Do you all know the career ladder? Oh my god.
Get the scissors.
I don't have scissors.
There. Arre, stop.
Guys. Wow. So much work happening. So much work.
Wait. Now we're going to gate number 1.
Dude, this looks like a big.
Wow. Yeah, it will, I think. Sometime in monsoon, I think. Monsoon sem.
Not when I'm opening the door, hopefully.
Okay, guys. Now we're going to gate number 1 to get what the groceries we had ordered.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Now we're trying to run.
I'm not running. We're honestly not running. It's not that big a deal, guys. Not that big a deal. Guys,
No.
no.
What happened?
Why?
What the fuck? Why are you filming this?
Why? Because I'll tell you why. You did a good job. Why?
No. And then it stuck to the pan.
Oh my god. Then.
Then
Switch it off.
no, I don't know
No.
if it's cooked. I don't think it is. See, guys.
No, guys. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not.
You're not cooked up.
गर्दन मोड़ दिया मैंने.
What she's doing, guys?
What happened?
You.
What happened?
I'm gonna cut it a little, guys.
No, don't do that.
No.
What happened?
Guys, she's cutting noodles. The Italians are gonna come for her. Shut up! No.
Guys, I'm putting all of this. Listen, look at it.
What? You're not even.
I'm a little afraid.
नमक स्वाद अनुसार.
Done.
It's falling.
Yeah, that's what. Pri added too much water.
Jatuti.
So cute.
So much. Not good.
It's not salty.
So we need something else to have on.
Potatoes from our farm.
I will definitely need to. Okay, I'll put this somewhere then.
Yeah.
Where?
In that.
But that we'll need for the next noodles, no?
Guys, so life update. Neha has cut her finger.
We're
So-
an actual video.
Yeah, sure.
Show to them.
This was what happened. I
We
put
put
haldi.
turmeric on it.
I
guys.
put manjal on top.
Manja.
Manjal means haldi.
Oh. हाँ हल्दी नहीं चल रहा है मुंह.
Oh, what is this?
It's not even that sharp. I don't know how you managed to cut your finger.
No, it's paining now.
Of course it will pain. Okay. Guys, what a disastrous night this is going to be. I can already imagine.
दीदी बहुत टाइट है. Oh my god. दीदी बहुत टाइट है.
Neha trying to speak in Hindi. किसने बोला था काटने के लिए जब दीदी से बात कर रही थी?
Yeah?
Who asked you to talk to her while you're cutting?
I don't know, it was reflexive.
I know.
Like she suddenly came and asked me something. No, you don't.
You stop. You
Yeah, I
stop.
know you stop, yes. But I didn't.
And so
Here's
you
the
see the
consequence.
consequence. Ayushi, you need help.
So I'm gonna be passenger princess for a while. But we can do now that we've cut down potato, we can start.
Yeah. At home, I do none of this, guys. But here I am. Look at me. Cutting potatoes for y'all.
I don't know what you're saying, but
So cute.
what
Here.
happened, bro? We can't show this actually.
Sure. Whatever you're doing. It's fine.
2,000 years later.
It's so fun, guys.
But do not record it when I give you content.
Anyways, guys, so our potatoes are ready. We've chopped them. And we've chopped our onions.
Finely chopped.
Finally.
Finest chopped.
Fine.
Finest. By the finest.
The Ayushi. Anyways, so that's that. And the noodles are also sort of
Potato fry.
ready. We've cooked them, boiled them more like. And now we're going to actually make our dinner. We're gonna make potato
Guys,
fry
we've been
and
here for too long. I'm hungry.
but that's the whole point of cooking. It takes a long time, right?
My honest reaction, guys.
We do, I think. I don't need. We need. Now we need. कर रही हैं.
कम खाते हो ना तेल
हाँ हाँ.
जीरा है
We have ginger
हाँ
garlic
जीरा
paste.
जीरा जीरा या we have.
Jeera we don't have.
कितना डालूं?
भाई है ना ये
हाँ.
1 चम्मच डाल लो 1 चम्मच ज़्यादा हो जाएगा ये बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म
noodles also, by the way.
Enough. More than enough.
Okay. Guys, done.
Guys, I didn't say still water. Guys, nobody has to record.
Wow. आलू. Wow. दीदी ने तो बहुत मदद कर दिया.
ये फ्राइडन हल्का है बहुत ज़्यादा
Wow, that was so fun.
Why were you freaking out so much? No, I was like, this is not supposed to happen. I've done this before. Like, what is happening suddenly?
Not home, bro.
No, but like, even if it's not home, there's like some basic things that should happen the way it's supposed to, no?
I'll get chili powder.
Guys, Priyanshi is on a hunt to steal someone else's.
Bro, I don't find anything.
No, it's flying. If it's falling, I feel like it'll fall.
No, it's not there. छोड़ो, लग रहा है आलू फ्राई खा के सो जाएंगे.
My chappal.
Her chapel gone, my hand gone, fan gone.
This one's also gone.
So properly lost or it's like
Yeah, done. Everything's very much so big. Now,
my heart, guys. What to do?
Guys, if any of you want to fund my new chappal, contact 74288.
what?
No, this will have to add. My roommate doesn't follow me, bro. I also don't follow you yet. But if you have a blockbuster and guys. Wait, I'll come. I'll come and do it. You do that only, bro. Okay, that was a minor distraction. Sure. To major consequences, but never mind. Bro, okay, I'm gonna.
Found? Yeah, it's someone else's. But here's what's in it. Okay?
Focus.
The water. You want to drink?
No, absolutely not.
Bro, Ayushi! Chill! See, I told you all, it's gonna be one hell of a disastrous night. Stay away, why you doing? Keep it! It's not even a bottle. Yeah. I see some progress here.
Wait, bro, I'll add.
No one is like.
Absolutely.
Nice.
Like
This is what I.
Okay, I think that's also too much actually.
Guys, it's clearing up though.
Masterpiece.
Stealing. चुपके से that too.
Couple है, because there are.
Nobody saw the DDs, please. Nice. Can you
This was my bit of disaster. Disaster was mine. Now you all know. Oh my god.
You manifested this at this point.
Exactly.
Get more tissues, please.
It happened. Galti se it happened.
Get more tissues.
Open them up. Open it. No, so it will be easier, I think. See, this is what you do.
Okay.
Oops.
What do you mean?
No, I will.
Hurry, get too fast, no bro. Storage only we have. Yeah. Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you so much, Bhaiya.
But right now.
Just put. Don't put too much.
Bro,
It's not coming out only, bro.
Okay, wait.
Happy Pride
No, we
Month.
have to do it in 2 slots at least.
Enough.
Say hi to the camera, guys.
Should we need water, bro?
Okay, so
We need water.
you should.
You all are doing good. I'm gonna go sit there. Guys, so we're done with first batch of noodles, as you all can see.
It was so bad.
Anyways, guys, it's pretty good. Here.
Wait. Where are the chilies? I don't know.
Good. I think we're too good. After all the struggle, we made such good noodles, as you can see, Ayushi and Neha. It's good, no, it's not.
Fry is good. It's also good on liquid.
Fine only, guys. Everything is good at this point. After all the disaster. What? It's too spicy. It's not spicy at all for me.
I see.
Yeah.
Anybody want to flip?
Guys, this is Priyanshi trying to make amends after her disaster. Only one disaster, okay?
Only one.
That was the
As if
only
that
one.
wasn't.
Enough, yeah. It wasn't. It's gonna take some time. Should I add something else? Should I add more chilies or what? No. Master Chef, guys, as you all can see. Stop. Who's gonna do the cleanup?
Let's get something to drink from Tuck Shop.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Can we?
Bro, it's so
Because we used the wrong noodles.
We did.
Look at what I made.
You want me to?
This is so good. It looks spicy and it is in fact spicy because I added too much red chili sauce and soya sauce. But it's looking good. Go Dan. Good night.
Guys, so moral of the vlog is never agree to cook with your friends.
It's so good. Why? You didn't like it, Ayushi?
The audacity of this woman.
So much. I think this is the whole point of cooking with your friends. Because when you're cooking with your parents or with your siblings, they end up getting mad at you.
Okay, when you make a mistake or something. But with your friends, it's all chill. Because you make mistakes and then you learn. And it's fun. So you're learning and you're having fun.
The final result, guys. Final result. We really enjoyed it, and we're done with
I
that.
enjoyed the Fanta. I don't know what else I enjoyed.
Guys, thank you so much for
I
watching.
enjoyed
our-
the disasters.
Thank you so much.
Can't even speak properly, bro.
Disastrous night it was. But thank you so much everyone for watching this video.
Guys, why
If
not
you
show this for the sake of
Yeah, like, share, and subscribe to Neha's
At
sake.
least for my sake.
Yeah.
Tom's sake.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you
Come
want,
back for another disaster.
please do, yeah. And comment down below if you want more of such videos.
Let's go.
Thank
More
you
of
so
us.
Thank you so much.
Love y'all.
Bye. I wanted to do
Guys, I
a.
want to do a heart and then they cut the video right in the middle, so there's the heart.
Nice.
Bro, that was so good.
How do you? Okay.
Like,
Easy.
okay.
Don't take it too high.